सत्य एंड सृष्टि क्लासेस में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स। योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ टेकिंग इन एंड यूटिलाइजिंग फूड फॉर ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट इज नोन एज इंजेशन, न्यूट्रिशन, डाइजेशन, ऑल ऑफ दिस। इट इज कॉल्ड एज न्यूट्रिशन। ऑप्शन बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, in the process of photosynthesis, plants take oxygen and release carbon dioxide, take carbon dioxide and release oxygen, take and release oxygen, take oxygen and release water. In photosynthesis, plants take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. So option B is your correct answer. Next, in the process of photosynthesis, which of the following energy conversion occurs? Solar energy converted to chemical energy, solar energy into mechanical energy, bioenergy into chemical energy, or chemical energy into light energy. In photosynthesis, our solar energy is converted to chemical energy. Your option A is right answer. Next, pitcher plant traps insects because it is a heterotroph, grows in soils which lack in nitrogen, does not have chlorophyll, has a digestive system like human beings. Pitcher plant traps insects because it grows in soils which lack in nitrogen, क्योंकि इसमें क्लोरोफिल होता है और ये फोटोसिंथेसिस के प्रोसेस में अपना खाना भी बना लेता है, लेकिन क्या नाइट्रोजन की कमी को पूरा करने के लिए वो इंसेक्ट्स को ट्रैप करता है। सो योर ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट। Next, when we observe the lower surface of a leaf through a magnifying lens, we see numerous small openings. Which of the following is the term given to such openings? Stomata, lamina, midrib, veins. These openings are called as stomata. Next, in the plant of cactus, leaves are modified into branch, spines, leaf veins, or pitcher. In plant of cactus, leaves are modified into spines. Your option B is correct. क्योंकि हम जानते हैं जो कि डेजर्ट एरिया में ज़्यादातर प्लांट ग्रोज होता है वो क्या लीव्स आर मॉडिफाइड इनटू स्पाइन लाइक स्ट्रक्चर टू रिड्यूस द लॉस ऑफ वाटर थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसपिरेशन। और इस तरह के प्लांट में क्या फोटोसिंथेसिस is take place in green stems. Next question, if iodine is dropped on the boiled leaf, it gives blue black color due to the presence of starch, protein, fat, vitamin. Due to the presence of starch. Next, two organisms are good friends and live together. One provides shelter, water and nutrients while the other prepares and provides food. Such an association of organisms is termed as saprophyte, parasite, autotroph or symbiosis. This type of association is called as symbiosis. The ultimate source of food on earth is plants, sunlight, animals, proteins. Ultimate source of food on earth is our plant. In leguminous plants, roots are modified into stilt roots, nodulated roots, fibrous roots, prop roots. In leguminous plants, roots are modified into nodulated roots. Your option B is correct. Next question. The role of bacteria present in root nodules of leguminous plants is to perform photosynthesis, to store food, to fix atmospheric nitrogen, none of these. Role of this bacteria is to fix atmospheric nitrogen. Option C. Next, the organisms which obtain nutrition from dead and decaying organic matter are called saprophytes, parasites, autotrophs, none of these. Dead and decaying organic matter से अपना न्यूट्रिशन एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं, these are called as saprophytes. Option A. The plants that provide nutrition to the parasitic plant are called host, guest, insectivore or saprophytes. यानी कि the plants that provide nutrition to the parasitic plant, और अदरवाइज इसको बोल सकते हैं parasitic plant जहाँ से खाना एक्सट्रैक्ट करता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? होस्ट. ऑप्शन ए. Chlorophyll is the green pigment present in the leaves of plants, is responsible for the green color of most of the plants, both A and B, none of these. Chlorophyll, your option C is correct. यानी कि ये green pigment present in the leaves of plants and is responsible for green color of the leaves of the plant. Next question. The main function of leaf is to prepare food, to prevent disease, to support the plant, to give a proper shape. Main function of leaf is to prepare food. So leaf is also called as kitchen of the plant or food factories of the plant. Next, the number of products formed in process of photosynthesis is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 2. And the products formed are carbohydrates and air oxygen. Which of the following raw material is available in the air for photosynthesis? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen or hydrogen. Raw material available in the air for photosynthesis, that is here carbon dioxide. Option B. Farmers use manure and fertilizers to replenish plant, replenish soil, replenish air, replenish fungi. It is to replenish soil. Option B. Next, plants which have deep red and brown leaves also carry out photosynthesis. Why? Option given are because they also have chlorophyll. The colors present in leaves cover the green color. Both A and B, none of these. Yes, they also contain chlorophyll. So the green color of leaf is covered by the different color. So option C is here correct answer. Nutrients enable living organisms to grow, to build their bodies, to provide energy, all of the above, all of the above. Yes. आप सब जानते हैं ये इसका करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, ऑल ऑफ दी अबव. क्योंकि न्यूट्रिएंट्स क्या प्रोवाइड करते हैं हमको? एनर्जी फॉर बिल्डिंग, बॉडी बिल्डिंग के लिए भी हेल्प करते हैं और ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए भी. ओके, थैंक यू.